Hey guys, come on in here and help me make my Easter balloon arch. I'm going to show you some of the things we're going to be using. And guys, you're going to have to bear with me because I'm working by myself and I'm going to have to zoom around and all kind of crazy things to show you guys what I'm working with. Because there's a whole lot. This installment is going to be taking a lot because I'm doing so many different things. You see my Tweety Bird here. I purchased him from Dollar Tree. I also purchased this here from Dollar Tree. That they're calling this a Easter garland. I also purchased this pink and blue, and you see the paper back there. I'll explain in a minute what that's for. You see the bunnies over here. Those was something I did by hand. I'm gonna show you quite a few of them that I did by hand. This guy's here, this one here. But I really wanted to focus on, you see the cardboard behind you, and those are the pink balloons that we're going to be using in this garland. I'll show you guys all the rest of the balloons that I have set up on the opposite side, but these 5-inch balloons here are gonna go on my hula hoop. I'll show you the hula hoop in a minute. The hula hoop also was either purchased from Dollar General or Dollar Tree. But let me move this, and we're gonna use these big giant ones here. I'm not quite sure, but this is what I wanted to show you. I'm making my own backdrop. And this wrapping paper here from Dollar Tree, I'm going to wrap it around. It's 2 large boards. I'm going to show you. You see, it's 2 of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand them side by side. Well, one on top of each other, tape it up. And then I'm going to put that wrapping paper over it. And that's going to be my backdrop. And it's going to go so gorgeous with the rest of these guys. You're going to have to see. So hold on, because I need to bring you down. And then I need to swoop you around. But I just wanted you to see here. These are 2 boards. I'll give you the measurements at the end. Watch this, guys. There we go. That's the rest of the family. Those beautiful colors there. Those are my sets of quads. Some of them are 7, 8. Some of them are 9. Some of them are 10 put together. Then here's my hula hoops here that we're working with. These are cool, guys. Let me see what we can see with. Yeah, I believe these here came from Dollar General. Yeah, those came from Dollar General. And in the back there, as you can see, we have more beautiful colors back there. And this is what we're going to be working with here. Check these bunnies out here. I'm going to zoom out. And these are my bunnies, and I made 3 of them, and I believe they're 23 inches. I made those with my Cricut machine. So I tell you guys, making your own props is the way to go. I tell you that. To order these or to buy these is absolutely crazy. So there you have 2 right there, and I have another one back there. And I made these maybe a week or 2 ago. So I hope you guys can bear with me. But they're going to be implemented in this arch also. What I need to do now is I need to start blowing up my pink balloons. Once I blow up my pink balloons and quads, I'll bring you guys back before I start putting them on my hula hoop. Now I'm going to have these 2 on each side from the ceiling. That's what I'm going to do. And yeah, so when I finish blowing up the 5 inches, as you can see, we have a whole lot of them. Once again, I'm going to zoom you in. Majority of these pink ones needs to be blown up. As you can see, that's a whole lot of pink balloons. Okay, guys, I brought you back so you can see the hula hoop with the balloons and the Tweety Bird hanging from the light. And that's what it looks like, guys. I'm going to swing you around to the second one, just a little different. So I'll show you the back of that, but this is the front of this one here. And there it is. Okay, guys, as you can see here, I put down my first piece of tape to keep my board together. Okay guys, while the glue gun heats up, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I purchased this from Dollar Tree some time ago. It came with had 4 pieces stamped up like this, and it had a piece on each side. So all I did was took it apart, and I used this for whatever I need it for. And right now I need it to help me stand this box up completely. So I'm going to put 3 in the middle and 2 on the side, just like that. And that will keep backdrop from bending. Right, let me see if I can bring you in a little closer. So that's all it is. And so once we finish with this, then we'll put our wrapping paper. We're using this color here. And the pink, I think this is a, not coming to me, a teal. It was purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm hoping that it covered the whole board. If not, you know we're gonna have to do some decorations, guys. Put some fringes on the top or the bottom or something. So let's glue this baby down. Now the thing is, I'm not sure if I want to tape it down or glue it down. Since this is going to be the front, I'm going to turn this back over. Now guys, if you want this, it's not as sturdy as I want it to be, but if you want really sturdy, what you can do, again, is continue to put popsicle sticks all over the place. And that'll just keep it right in place. But I'm gonna lean mine up against my my glass. So I really don't need it to be that sturdy. Or if I'm using Dollar Tree poster boards, that'll be fine to do a project like this. Again, that's what I did. And the other project, I used Dollar Tree poster boards. And if I'm not mistaken, I used 14 of them, either 12 or 14. It's a nice size backdrop. But since this was free, we went free. We went that route, put it that way. I'm going to turn it over and show you guys what it's going to look like. But this is what we have. Okay, if you're ever looking for something and can't find it, that's where I'm at right now. I'm looking for my popsicle sticks and I can't find it. So we're gonna have to go with these guys. These are just some wood pieces that I had cut up. And I'm just going to put those down. So one right here, right in the seam. When I was taking it off the table, it was creasing. So I don't want that crease. So this is what we're going to do to avoid that. I'm just going to turn it around so we can get the other side now. Against the wall so I can work a little bit better with it. And there you have it. Okay guys, I'm back and I finished the backdrop. As you can see over there, it's standing up We're not completely finished, but once we finish, it'll all come together. I have some bunnies over here that was purchased from Toomey's. That's just going to be hanging around on the, you know, on the bottom. I got some carrots here. I'm thinking about hanging them up here. I'm thinking about taking that yellow wreath down and putting the carrots to hang from there. Not quite sure, but this is what we have here going on so far. All our colors, some a little bit vibrant, the other I mixed pastel with some other colors. We have this huge rose balloon here with some 5-inch, 7-inch, 8-inch balloons. Then we have the light blue back there. We have some pink ones that we're just going to stuff in. Down here we have a bunch of carrots, and let me see what you can. We have some carrots. We have some Easter eggs. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with those, but I might just leave the Easter eggs on the floor. We're gonna see. And we also have these Easter bunnies here from Dollar Tree. These are so cute, guys. If you're in the vicinity of Dollar Tree, just pick these up. These guys is so cute. They're coming in two, and you have to put them together. And that's where we're at right now. Those are so cute. That I wish I would have bought more, because that right there would bring out any project. All I did right here for the backdrop, you guys already saw. I took some wrapping paper and with that that box that I found and just wrapped it around it, put it together and wrap it around it. It came out kind of cute. My daughter says she don't like it, but I'm okay with that. You know, to each his own. But there's my bunnies, guys. I have to figure out where to put them at. They're standing really cute up there right now. As I told you guys, they're 23 inches by I think 11.5. And I also put these, I don't know if we're going to call these flowers. There is a name for them, but I don't remember the name. And these here was also purchased from Toomey. And those are so adorable. Look, just look at them. They are so cute. And I got 2 packs of those that I'm going to use. I used 1 pack, so I have another pack that I'm going to use. I'm just going to take you around. And when I finish, I'll bring you back in. I'm going to try to fill up that wall right there where the ladder is with these balloons here. And then we'll be finished, guys. Okay, guys, the balloon arch is finished. I'm going to give you a view from each side. And this is what I have for you guys. I think it came out fabulous. And I can understand if this balloon arch is not for everyone, because it does have every color in the book in here. But guys, just check it out. Just check it out. Just tell me if you would do something like this, and if you would, put it in the comments. Again, that's the backdrop that we made. As you can see, I also made a happy Easter sign, and here we go. And this right here is my favorite part. I love the way the flowers blend in with the balloons. I put the Easter eggs on top of that giant balloon back there. I just thought it would just bring texture to it, and I think it did. I'm gonna zoom you in. And here we go. Absolutely pretty. I love it, I love it, I love it. There's all our beautiful Easter colors. And I threw some extra colors in there, like that cream over there. I think that's cream. And again, these bunnies were purchased here from Temu. And the rest of the bunnies in the back, you guys know I made those using my Cricut machine. And it blended in so perfectly with it. But yeah, guys, you tell me what you think. Again, I can understand if it's a little bit too much going on for you guys. But I think if you was having an Easter party or in a church, this would blend in beautiful with the concept. So I'm going to get out of the way and I'm just going to give you guys a scan. Hula hoop up there with the 5-inch balloons. Those balloons were blown up to 3.5. That's where I like to blow mine up, either 3.0 or 3.5. I think that's all you need when you're dealing with the hula hoop, the small hula hoop from Dollar General. So here we go, guys. This is it. This is all I have for you.